Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
thanks. Thank you. Thank you. To start with, what is data engineering? I know you guys already gone through all these things, but let me start from that again. So the data engineering, right? So like in today's world, data is everywhere and data is everything, right? So whatever we do, whatever we are doing in any app, any website, anything like that is data. So data is like information, and that information, out of that information we are picking some insights, and that is helping us to drive business solutions, right? If you see let's say if in Google you have search for some phone, right? So as a data engineer or a data scientist or a data as a aspirant, so that isn't data for me. So you have searched something as a user. Now what I will do, I will take that as an input, and you have searched for some iPhone. I will take that as an input, and that is a data. So I need to send ads based on this iPhone. So iPhone got so and so amount got reduced on iPhone. So it's a good time to grab this offer. So something like that, right? That's what data is everywhere. Data is everywhere. Even though you might think like, okay, how can you might have wondered so many times, right? I done something, but that same thing is reflecting in your Instagram or WhatsApp or somewhere in the ads place, right? So that's because of data. So your data is everywhere. Everyone is watching you. So definitely be aware. As a data engineer, we supposed to extract those kind of data, those kind of information from the users, and do some engineering applications, right? And build an insight of out of that. Let's say you have started a some business, right? So for that business they need some data. Let's say I'm a marketing agent, so I need some data. So I need some data, I will get from the data engineer, and with the help of the data I will build, okay, so what is the how is the market today, how is the market behaving from the last 5 years, something like the share market, let's say. So how the stocks are performing, so those kind of things, right? So data is very very important, and we will perform applications on top of that, engineering applications on top of that as a data engineer. And I will tell you, mostly 90% of your time you are going to clean the data most of the time. Okay. um, yeah, and that's more into data engineering, and let's see what we have got.